Hi, my name is Chuck, and I own a SEO agency, and we specialize in search engine optimization for companies and getting local businesses just like yours ranked to the top of Google in order to bring you more business. And I did a keyword search of Charleston Roofing, which is the most popular keyword for people looking for roofing needs in the Charleston area. And this is the first page, which obviously at the top shows some ads. This is what we call the map pack. And then you get down into the organic rankings where you'll see some of your competitors. Charleston Roof, this is actually a directory. Baker Roofing, Charleston Roof and Windows, and others. And so I continued to look for you. Found you on page 6 down here at Truline Roofing. So took a look at your website, and as you probably know, 80% of all new searches choose one of the top 3 search results. So I'm sure you'd want to be on that first page capturing, how would you like to capture a portion of those 80% of the new customers? Your revenue would double or triple, and just by being on that first page. So in order to get there, just want to let you know a couple things I found on your site, which love the green color, and picture looks very nice. Hopefully your web person is putting in the image tags, which helps boost your ranks as well. But what Google looks for is they really look at trust. They want to trust a site, and the sites that they can trust in order to deliver to their end user a good experience is they want to know what your site is about. There's several other factors that go into it as well, but I'm going to just touch on a couple that things that you can easily change yourself. And one of the things they look at is your heading tag. And since people are looking for Charleston Roofing, you want your heading tag, the number 1 heading that they see on your site, to be congruent with that, to be Charleston Roofing. And yours says welcome to Truline Roofing. So if you just changed that to the city and the keyword, the city Charleston and then roofing, and then you could put your company name, your ranking would go up. Now you can have, let's see on yours, this is the first heading. So you can have this heading somewhere else on your site, and you can make those minor adjustments. But you would want this to be Charleston Roofing, and then you can add your company name after that, or put this under there. That would be fine. But when we put you into our analyzer, that's what comes up, and that's one of the things that we suggest to change first. The other thing is your metadata, or your title tag. It reads Charleston, South Carolina. And this is what is over on the blue line. That's called the title tag. The blue line and the black line is your description. So this you would also want to be congruent with Charleston Roofing. So you'd want to have Charleston Roofing, a vertical line, Truline Roofing. You get 72 characters that you can fill in, but that's how you'd want to prioritize it. And that'll help boost your rankings. We do this for folks all over the country, and get them on the first page of Google. If we can be of assistance, let us know. Hopefully you can make these changes yourself. If you want us to do it, we'll be glad to. Thanks, and hope you have a good day.